Okay, I'm fed up. Let's talk about this now. Let's talk about the Poland embassy appointment and visa saga. Let's settle this call now. I've been getting messages and comments under my videos from people experiencing delays in Poland embassy appointment and those whose visas have been rejected. It's so alarming, man. We gotta do something. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the dark truth behind this saga. Let's know the root of the problem and know what to do next. Before we continue, I want to welcome you specially to this amazing channel. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno, and we are changing lives. We drop videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or through studies or through any other legit way. So ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop videos. Please hit the like button to support the video and don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones. So what is this dark truth? What is the problem actually? Why is it so difficult for people to get appointment at the Polish embassy? In fact, people are even paying for appointment, and even after paying they don't get visas. What's the problem? I think we need to address this. I think you deserve to know the truth. As somebody who has lived in Poland for about 6 years and know some things about their system, it's my responsibility to unveil this to you. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on any vital point. Disclaimer, this is not an immigration advice. This is just my opinion, okay? The dark truth is that, to be honest, Poland no longer wants a lot of foreigners to come in. Yeah, they no longer want plenty foreigners to come in. But why? I'm going to tell you why. Follow me carefully. There's been an ongoing war between Ukraine and Russia, and a lot of Ukrainians fled into Poland. Some went to other European countries. Most advanced countries have a quarter of the number of immigrants they want into their country per year. That is, every year they have or should have the number of people that they want into their country. So at the moment, I feel this quota has been exceeded. There are a lot of Ukrainians already here. Pretty much everywhere you go to, you will see Ukrainians. And this has limited the chances for other foreigners, who are from third world countries. Please don't get me wrong. This is not a disrespect to Ukrainians, okay? I love Ukrainians. I love everybody, okay? I'm just trying to unveil the dark truth to my audience so that they will know the root of the problem, and also to give them a sense of direction or a sense of redirection on what to do next. And also, this video is not in any way to bash Poland. Poland has tried their best and they are still doing well, At least they have accommodated foreigners, or they are still accommodating some foreigners to come in, okay? So at least they are trying. Let's give them their flowers. And there are nice Polish people too that I've met. Poland has a lot of people already, and even some Polish people protested that they no longer want immigrants to come in, or they even want immigrants to go, And I can understand some of the protesters, because there are some immigrants who are bad and illegal, and they are doing bad things, horrible things. In fact, personally, I've been scammed by an immigrant in Poland. So I understand their frustration. In fact, I heard about an immigrant who killed a Polish citizen or Polish citizens, So I can understand their frustration. That notwithstanding, there are many immigrants too who are legal and have contributed to the Polish economy and are still contributing to the economy, okay? Let's not forget that. But the dark truth is that, wallahi, these people no longer want much foreigners to come in. Hence the visa rejections, even though people are qualified. In fact, the appointment is another thing. And the fact that people are paying for this appointment is also another thing. And paying for the appointment too does not even guarantee a visa. Does it make sense? Doesn't make sense. So now that we know the dark truth, what do we do? Here's what to do. I would suggest that you explore other options, okay? Don't put Poland as the first choice, or don't make Poland your only choice, okay? And even processing admission to Poland these days is even difficult. Like they've added extra requirements, so it's no longer easy as it used to be to get admission into a Polish university. And processing a Poland visa these days is a risk. I'm not saying that everybody is being rejected. Some people are getting visas, okay? But what's the percentage? What's the ratio? If you want to explore other options, you can check out the videos I've made regarding other countries, okay? Watch those videos and implement. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, you want me to personalize my guidance to your specific immigration need, you can do that. You can do that by booking a session via the link in the description under this video. Okay, just go there, do the needful, and reach out to us on either Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you have any question, put in the comment section below. If you have any experience regarding appointment delays or visa rejection, okay, put in the comment section below. share your experience so that other people can learn as well. Let's have a discussion. I'll be glad to see your comments. All right, and please click the like button to support this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to click the bell, and please share this video so that other people can know about this dark truth. If you need an excellent CV, or you want to upgrade the one you have into a European standard CV, the link is also in the description under this video. Okay, and we have a discount offer. Okay, so if you want both CV and cover letter done for you, the link is also in the description under this video. Okay, go there, do the needful. Hurry up on this one before we change our mind and bring it back to the original price. And also for flight reservation and admission to universities in Europe, reach out to us on either Instagram or Facebook. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.